Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make Loreals at home. So the material you require are just these simple things: the Loreal wire, beads. So the beads which we need normally are 3 to 4 millimeter, and you can choose the color according to your choice, according to your need. And then we need a bunch of Loreal wires, and you can see each wire has tip on its both ends. So we normally cut it into half, and then we use each of this half to make Loreal. So after cutting it, and then take the bead and pass the bead through the wire. Now pass down this bead through the wire until it reaches to the tip. Now you need to focus on this step. We need a plier and hold it close to the bead, and then turn this wire around the bead thrice. I normally turn the wire 3 times. That's enough. Then cut the extra wire, and you can turn the tip later if required. And this is how the Loreal is ready. I will show you once again. Just keep an eye on the step. Take a bead, pass through the wire. Now hold it in right hand and take a plier in left hand, and then turn the wire around this bead like this. Turn it 3 times, and then cut the extra wire. I will show you one more time with the white bead, so that if you have any confusion you can get it clearly. This is how you can make the Loreals. So you can make as many as you want, and this is a very easy method. So these are some black Loreals which I have made, and I will use them in my future project. Now let me show you how to make it again using a white bead, so that if you have any confusion left in your mind, it should be clear. When you buy them from the market, these are too much expensive, but when you make them by your own, they become so cheap and they are easy to make. So choice is up to you, whether you take them from market or you make them your own. But let me assure you, the ones you make by your own are of best quality. Please give a thumbs up and comment below, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos.